Wide-angle lens installation guide. The wide-angle lens we provide is a modified original Mavic 3 wide-angle lens adapter with a CNC aluminum mount. When handling it, avoid touching the glass. Power on the drone and wait for the gimbal self-check. Use 2 fingers to steady the gimbal. With your other hand, gently press the original lens cover and rotate it counterclockwise about 5 degrees to remove it. Next, hold the wide-angle lens by the outer frame with your thumb and index finger. Align it with the original 3-hole quick-release mount, slide it into place, apply light pressure, then rotate it clockwise about 5 degrees to lock. Now the installation is complete. Before takeoff, do a quick gimbal tilt and rotation test. After landing or changing the battery, please remove the wide-angle lens to prevent damage during the next gimbal self-check. One important note, this wide-angle lens is recommended for single photos and video, but it is not suitable for matrix panorama shooting. When you're installing this for the first time, an imperfect fit may cause the installation to fail, and the gimbal may temporarily lose power and droop. This is normal. Just restart the drone or wait about 20 seconds, and the gimbal should return to its normal position. If you find the installation difficult at first, don't worry. We've fully tested this setup to ensure it works properly and won't damage your drone. Just take your time and practice with a little extra patience.